Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. I'm here with my wife.
That sounded so creepy.
It's a radio DJ at night.
Yeah.
I'm here with my wife Laura.
Hi.
And we are going to put together a Lego Mosaic. Like a little kit, I guess.
Yeah, so it's a Lego set, number 6162.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it's like a mosaic looking thing with all really tiny little fiddly pieces.
Yeah, it's a 4-in-1, so there's the house, like a dolphin, dragon, and a helicopter.
Which one are we going to do first?
I don't know, whichever one is in the manual first.
Okay, that sounds like a plan.
Mystery.
And this will be sped up.
Yes.
So you won't have to sit here for hours watching us put all the little pieces together.
Shall we get started?
Let's go. Right, you can see we've built the dolphin.
The only problem was we're missing one different coloured light blue piece.
Yeah, so just to give you a bit of a closer look, one of the wrong colour there, but that's because we got this second hand.
Yeah.
So we weren't really sure if it was all there, so missing one piece out of the dolphin is not too bad really.
And it really didn't take that long to put together either, it's pretty neat.
Yeah, it was pretty quick. Looks mostly like a dolphin, I suppose.
Looks like with the two colours, looks like it's got eyes.
Ah, I realise we're not missing a piece.
Ah.
We've made
I believe you're in charge of the white ones.
a mistake. Yeah, I've used like a light. Well, we're never gonna get that out of the middle to put that in there.
Nah, we're never going to get it out.
There you go. That will go in there though. So technically, we did have them all. He's just got a growth. He's a dolphin with a growth.
Alright, shall we get started on the dragon, which is the next one?
Let's do it.
Alright, we're
So-
done.
There is the dragon.
And we actually have all the correct pieces this time. Let me just pull it so we don't... I like that one.
Yeah,
You
it's kind of
the flag and like the little antenna for his
like
horn.
horn. His eyes red, so he's an angry dragon. And yeah, I think the flag as his tongue's pretty cool.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, I like that too. That's number 2.
Are we ready to build him a house to blow down?
Yes, let's build the dragon and dolphin a house to live together.
Sounds good.
Let's do it. bye.